Let's go Canada! Yeah! Let's go! Hey man, you got an extra one of those beers?
Yeah, of course, buddy. Here you go, man.
Oh, thanks, man.
You betcha.
Oh, this is warm.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Are you guys having trouble with cold beer?
Are we ever?
Wow, you should try the new ThermoLum.
What's this?
Keeps your beer cold without a fridge.
Right on. That's good.
It's colder than sitting naked in a snowbank.
Damn, that's cold.
Using advanced ThermoLum technology, our group of 1,000 chemists have figured out a way to keep your beer colder, faster, for longer. ThermoLum, climate control for your beverage.
Damn, that's cold.